A remote access solution, RemoteView for Business from RSUPPORT, helps companies recreate an office work environment regardless of time and place. RemoteView also works on mobile devices as well. This way, large businesses can increase worker productivity and reduce total operating costs using the advanced management tools provided by RemoteView for Business. Let's see how RemoteView works. Start logging into your account at biz.rview.com. After logging in, select the PC you want to remote into from a list of available online computers. Can you see the remote screen? Now you can begin working on the remote PC. You can send emails, surf the web, work on more demanding applications like AutoCAD, video production, and 3D internet games without worrying about dropped connections. This is all because the latest VRVD from RSUPPORT transfers remote sound as well as the remote screen without taxing the CPU. Let's look at the most powerful feature of the RemoteView for Business, the admin page. The home page looks a lot like the regular Windows PC interface, so the admin page must look rather familiar. It's very easy to use as well. You can create a folder, drag and drop an available PC into that folder, creating a work group. RemoteView works on virtual PCs and vPro chip-equipped PCs as well. Click on the Live View tab and you can manage multiple PCs at the same time. In the Users tab, you can assign different access authority to the users on the system. With a single click of the mouse, you can add a new user. With the right click of the mouse, you can either increase or decrease a user's access level and even delete a user account if that is necessary. You can allow or disallow users from recording videos of the support session, print, or even send files to and from the remote PC to the local PC. In the Reports tab, the administrator can view the user access data either as raw data or as charts and tables. You can also download the usage data as an MS Excel file as well. Lastly, in the Settings tab, you can make changes to the security settings to protect the user privacy concerns as well as the basic settings features of RemoteView for Business. Let's access the admin page from an iPad. The admin page appears when you log into biz.rview.com. In the Remote PC Management tab, you can get some basic system info. From this tab, you can launch a remote connection session as well. Live View tab lets you monitor multiple PCs in real time at the same time. You can check for user activity report by each person who is using RemoteView. In the Settings tab, you can make changes to the default settings of RemoteView for Business. Should we take the RemoteView out for a ride? When you launch the RemoteView app on the iPad, you will see a list of available PCs on the dashboard. Just tap on the icon representing the PC you wish to remote control. Enter your login username and password, and you should be able to gain access into the remote system. Using the virtual keyboard on the iPad, you can start drafting documents and work as if you were actually sitting in front of the remote system. The scroll function works, you can zoom in and out, and when you change the screen resolution to 1024 by 768, the remote screen fills out the entire iPad screen in a full screen mode. Don't forget that this works just as well in a 3G environment as well as the Wi-Fi environment. Easy, fast, and secure remote access. Not to mention optimizing the enterprise workplace environment. Your Biz supporter. Come visit us at biz.rview.com.